Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to off ringtone on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Then from here you just scroll down and here you can see this one is the sound and vibration. Just move on it. After you have been moved on it, here you have to click on this ringtone. Then here click on profile. After that here you have to click on ringtone again. Then if you want to remove or if you want to make silent the ringtones, the first option is the don't set ringtone. So just click on the first option, don't set ringtone, click on apply and click on OK. Here the ringtone will be off on your mobile phone. You can off it like that, okay? And if you want to set, then you can see on the down there is many ringtones, system ringtones, okay? You can set it, okay? And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.